Hi. The first thing you need to check out, I'm using this model, her name is 4K. So the first thing you need to check out is her skin type, okay? So firstly looking, she have a dry skin. You can know by not seeing any little sweat or any little moisture on it like bringing oil. That's how you know if she have a dry skin. So you need a moisturizer. So I'm using this moisturizer from Miracle moisturizer. I'm gonna put the name out there for you to understand. So the first thing I will do, I will just massage the moisturizer into her face very well. Understand? I will pack the moisturizer much than someone that have oily face. Understand? So massage the skin very very well. You must use your hand to do this process if you really want it to work very well. But if you face nails and you don't feel comfortable, you can also use a brush. But I prefer using hand because you can massage it into the face very well. Just like this. So because you have oily face, I'm gonna use a primer. I'm not gonna use sweat block because it's not sweating. Understand? But if it's the type that do sweat a lot, you use sweat block. Understand? You use sweat block, but she's not sweating that much. Ignore the sweat block. I'm gonna put it up there for you to see. So I'm putting the primer on a T-zone area. Understand? Just on the tinsel area. I'm going to leave under her eye to be moisturized because we have dry face already. So I will leave that part to moisturize very well. I'm just placing to the brow side so that it should be very dry. Because anywhere that there is hair, the person must sweat. Understand? So people have hair in their body, in their face. So the first thing you need to do is to shave it out. Shave her eyebrow. She have already shaved her eyebrow. That's why I didn't shave it in this video. So for the two foundations I'm going to be using this Ezike foundation and this Maybelline foundation. So the Ezike foundation is more of dry matte, while the Maybelline is like water foundation. Understand? Let me show you guys the two shades of the foundation. One is, so how will you know a very shade? You need to smash the foundation here to see if it will match her skin. So this is the two mixed together, and this is just the Ezike. This is just the Maybelline. Okay, actually, if you look at the two together, the Maybelline goes very well, but it's a bit darker. But mixing the two together here, you see that it matches more better than just the Ezike. Understand? See the three. Then after applying the foundation, you need a setting spray. So I'm using this MAC Face Plus all over our face so that you will blend very well. So I'm going to my blending foam. Make sure your blending foam is very soft. Understand? Then tap a little in the remaining foundation in your hand. Then before tapping it in, you see I'm just pressing it in. I'm not sweeping, I'm just pressing it in. When it comes to the airline, don't go too much. Understand? Don't go closer to the airline, okay? So just stay clear from the airline. Then use the side that you have not put foundation on to blend it out so that the lines will not be, as in the foundation will not be showing in a hairline. Understand? So use our hairline. So in this video I'm using very affordable products, understand? So this is ageless concealer and this is the normal pro concealer, elegant pro concealer, not the original one, the unbranded one. So I'm going to this shade over here. Understand? I will use this shade and this shade and this one. So what I did is that I added a bit of the, as they call the Maybelline foundation, mix it together with the concealer. And it's also that it will not be too light. So you have to remember to